talk about how can you disable this sign or know how you can do that on your package option app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do, so you just go here above your photo profile, click on it. Then it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then all you have to do, you just click here on profile here. Then you come to next step here. Then all you have to do, just click here on profile. So when you click on profile, it's going to take you to this list here. Then you go down, just keep going down here. So then you come here to subscribe to companies promotions here. Click in this sign or this color. Like you see color, it's gone. That means subscribe to companies promotions, disable with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.